Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a review on 4 of these COSRX pads because I know that they have released quite a bit, so I thought I'll do like a review on all of them and sort of like a comparison so you guys know what each individual of the pads are and like the benefits and stuff like that. So let's get started. So the first one, I'm sure all of you guys know this one. This is the COSRX One Step Pimple Clear Pad, and this one is an exfoliating pad, but also it just helps to remove any dirt on your face, any oil, any clogged pores on your face area as well. And obviously the pads, I think it comes with 70 pads inside, and I've used quite a bit and I left a bit for you guys to see how it looks like inside. So the pad itself, this one I noticed it doesn't really contain much moisture to it, like essence. I feel like this one feels a little bit dry on my face just because I do have very dry and sensitive skin, but this one's supposed to have 1% BHA and then 86% white willow bark extract, which helps to clean and clear your pores. So first you have like this bumpy part which helps to exfoliate, and then if you want to smooth your skin you can also use the bumpy part, the smooth part, just to wipe away any excess dirt. I really like this one at the same time because it does help remove a lot of my dirt even after you do like double cleanse your face. This is a great product to just use this for part of your skincare routine. Before the moisture pad was released, I actually did like this. I just felt that it was a little bit rough on me. But once the moisture pad come out, I actually like that a bit more just because I felt like it was more moisturizing for me. I know a lot of people say that there wasn't much essence compared to this, but for me I felt like this was more comforting for me. So this is the COSRX One Step Moisture Up Pad, and this one contains 0.5% BHA, and it also contains propolis extract water just to help with the moisture on your face. And this one also, it contains one of my favorite ingredients, which is hyaluronic acid, which just helps to hydrate your skin all the time. And this moisture pad is supposed to help like smooth your skin's texture, remove any of your blemishes, any acne, and also reduce your redness as well. And this one, again, this one has 70 pads as well, and again the pad is exactly the same as the One Step pimple patch, and so this one have the bumpy part and then the smooth side. And again, I like to use both during my skincare routine, and this one also helps to remove a lot of the dirt on my face as well. It just feels really satisfying to see how much dirt can be removed on your face. This one is not really like a exfoliating pad, but it does work well for me for my dry skin. I'm not saying that it removes any of my dead skin, it just removes a little bit, but at the same time it doesn't really make my skin feel like rough, or it doesn't make my skin feel really fragile because my skin tend to be pretty sensitive. Now this one has become like my favorite pad compared to the other two now. Like I feel like every time they release a new pad, I tend to like that more compared to the other one. But this is the newest one, and this is the COSRX One Step Green Hero Calming Pad. I decided to get this because I heard the word calming and I was like, ooh, I really need to try this. So this one is great for those who have really sensitive skin because it just does help to relieve your skin when you do apply this on. And this one is like a gentle toner pad. It doesn't exfoliate, and this one contains 0.25 PHA, which is like a new AHA and BHA, but it's not as it's efficient enough, but it's not as strong as BHA and HA. Hope that makes sense. But it also contains 75% green tea water, which just helps to calm your skin down. It also have like, I'm pretty sure it has ingredients like tea tree oil as well, just to help soothe and calm the skin. This is basically like a soothing and hydrating pad for those who have really sensitive skin, or those who have like acne prone skin. This is great. But if you're looking for something to exfoliate, I wouldn't recommend this. I would still recommend the COSRX one. But then again, depending on your skin, like for example for me, I do have a lot of redness on my skin. My skin is really dry, my skin is really sensitive, so I tend to go for either this one step or the moisture pad. For days like where I know that I have a lot of redness and I need something to calm me down, I will use this one. But on a regular basis where I think my skin is okay, I will stick to the moisture up pad. But I mean, the reason why I alternate like that is because I do have all of these pads here. But if I don't have all of this pad here and I can't alternate, I will stick to the one step one, just because it just helps reduce my redness. Because honestly, I do have a lot of redness, guys. It just makes my skin feel very soothing and very cooling as well for some reason. So I definitely really like this a lot. Now, next you have this COSRX Hydrogel Very Simple Pack. Now this one is not an exfoliating pad, but it's just like a gel pad, which is sort of like, I guess it is a mask. Sorry, I dropped the lid. It comes with a tweezer, which is great, and then you just peel the pad off and it just looks like this. Voila! So you can see how much liquid comes out from this. However, at the same time, once you put it on your face, it does dry up really fast, like probably less than 5 minutes you can already remove the pad. Like it will stick on, but you know, the benefit is already gone after, you know, that 5 minutes mark. So basically for that pad, it just helps to provide any moisture on the area that you want moisture on. So any like little dry patches and stuff, definitely put the pad on top. I like to put it around on my cheek area because that's where all my dry skin are at. And this one is made out of hydrogel, which is, you know, the pad, and this one is sort of like a sheet mask. With this mask here, the time I like to actually use this is probably when I don't have any time to put any mask on, but I want something quick just to hydrate my face. I will use this pad. So overall, all of them are great, but if I would have to choose one of it, I would definitely choose the calming pad. But again, all of them are great depending on everyone's skin. So let me know down below which is your preference and which one you like the most. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!